I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the exact dress code and why it matters. You want signals that match context. Once done, inventory what you already own and mark gaps. Make sure to prioritize fit and neutral colors because tailored basics carry weight. Next, pick one statement piece that elevates the outfit without overwhelming it. You're starting practical actions now. Measure, photograph, and list stores or online options for 1-2 targeted buys. You now assemble the outfit with intent. Begin by laying out base, mid, and outer layers to check proportion. Once layered, focus on color harmony, choose 2 dominant tones and 1 accent to keep visual cohesion. Make sure garments contrast in texture to add depth and avoid loud patterns unless deliberate. Then, test movement and posture. Sit, walk, and reach. If something tucks or pulls, adjust. Tailoring solves most fit issues and transforms average into impressive. You finish by polishing details that create confidence. Tidy shoes, match belt hardware to accessories, and check grooming. Once dressed, run a quick fit checklist. Comfort, no pulling seams, and a balanced silhouette when viewed from 6 feet. If something reads wrong, troubleshoot. Swap one item for a neutral alternative, shorten a hem, or change shoes to shift formality. Finally, practice your posture and a short walk. Clothing reads alongside body language.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.